Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add canvas to your videos or your photos in CapCut PC. So make sure you want to put the video on the first track. If you put it on the second, you won't be able to see the canvas section. So make sure you put it on the first track. For instance, I want like a blurry canvas, so just go to blur and select the canvas that you want. Or you can select from the colors section here. Or if you want like a really cool background, I'm just trying to find one where I can remove the background. I'll just use one like from the green screen here. Go to cutout. I'm just gonna do auto cutout. You can also do the chroma key. And I'll go to canvas, go to style, and you can add in like the canvas that they already have here if you'd like to. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can add canvas to your videos. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!